buddies, welcome back to my channel Booming Gasto Relish Life with me. Hi, this is Anurupa. Today's video is on spring color analysis as well as some spring season art from the spring season series 2025. So let's talk about the color theory of the spring season. Much of today's color theory starts back from the 19th century, which has its traditional way of mixing colors and to bring out the contrast and harmony. Categories of the color theory are divided into 4 seasons from the nature: spring, summer, autumn and winter, and the subcategories of this color analysis brings you the light, soft, clear, deep and true. As this is the spring season series 2025, so let's talk about the color analysis or the color theory from the spring season. The spring season includes light, bright and true color palettes.
Today, I will be covering the light spring color palette,
and the other 2 color theory or the color analysis of the spring palette will be covered in my upcoming videos. So let's talk about the light spring color palette, which is very effortless, lively and the most youthful beachy of the color palettes. Now these are very sparkling tones and the lightest shades of the warm colors like yellow, pinks, reds, browns, etc., as well as greens. As if the colors from the color palette are mixed with the sunlight from the nature. And next comes the neutrals from the color palette, which can be which is rather dominated by pale gold, sandy beige, palmino, blonde wood as well as light peach. There are some interesting fresh khakis as well as a range of elegant champagne greys. Darks present as chocolate, milk, birch grey and as well as coffee cream. Next comes the unique colors. The colors from the spring color palette includes the cantaloupe, truffany, blue, prime rose as well as lime, mint, celery and jacaranda. Think of sorbet and ice cream and you will capture the essence of the light spring. And now let's get into the topic, which includes the spring season art 2025, the acrylic painting. I've already talked about the various art techniques from the spring season series 2025 in my previous video, and I have covered the coaster color or the gouache painting, and today in this video we'll be covering the acrylic painting. Acrylic paints are very versatile in nature. They have fast drying properties as well. They can be applied and used on various surfaces, which gives it a wide range of artistic possibilities. It can be applied on canvas, on fabrics, on glass. So without any further delay, let's get into the main video. Let's see what's my inspiration as well I'll be explaining the characteristics of this acrylic paint after the painting is over. And while you watch the video, you'll get to know the history and some techniques for the acrylic painting. Stay tuned. Now let's talk about how to use acrylics. Number one is the thinning process. Dilute acrylic with water for watercolor-like washes or add mediums for different effects. Number two is the blending process. Blend colors while wait for soft transitions or use dry brushing for textured effects. Number three is the layering. Apply thin layers and build up colors gradually for depth and complexity. Number four is the surface preparation. Consider using gesso or other primers to prepare your surface. Number five is the palette control. Use a palette to mix colors. Now let's talk about the acrylic techniques. Number one is the glazing. Applying thin, transparent layers of paint to build up color and depth. Number two is the acrylic pouring, a technique that involves pouring diluted acrylic paints onto a surface, creating fluid and abstract patterns. Number three is the mixed media, incorporating acrylics with other materials like collage, paper, or fabrics. Number five, dry brushing. Applying paint with a dry or slightly damp brush to create texture and highlights. Now let's talk about the types of acrylic paints. There are 5 types of acrylic paints. Number 1 is the heavy body acrylics. These are thick, buttery and have a high pigment load, making them ideal for impasto techniques, layering and creating textured effects. They are also known for their ability to retain brush strokes. Number 2 is the soft body acrylics. Soft body acrylics are more fluid than heavy body, offering a good balance between the two. They are suitable for layering, blending, and creating a variety of effects. Like acrylic fabric paints, which are also known as textile paints, is most commonly made from an acrylic polymer. This acrylic is bonded with a color and then emulsified, which makes the paint durable against routine use, multiple washes, and sunlight. Number 3 is the fluid acrylics. These are thinnest, most fluid type, often used for pouring washes, and creating glazes. They can also be used in spray guns. Number 4 is the acrylic gouache. Acrylic gouache mimics traditional gouache drying to a matte opaque finish and not reactivating when wet like regular acrylics. It's often used by watercolorists and illustrators. Number 5 is the acrylic inks. Acrylic inks are very fluid and have high pigment concentration, making them ideal for creating washes, glazes, and detailed work. They are often used in conjunction with fluid acrylics. Now, let's know the history of the acrylics. The history begins with the German chemist Otto Röhm, who invented acrylic resin, which led to the development of acrylic paint. In 1934, the first usable acrylic resin dispersion was developed by a German chemical company, BASF, and patented by Röhm and Hors. The synthetic paint was first used in 1940s, displaying some properties of both oil and watercolor. Between 1946 and 1949, Leonard Booker and Sam Golden invented a solution acrylic paint under the brand Magna Paint. These were mineral spirit-based paints. Water-based acrylic paints were subsequently sold as latex house paints. Soon after, the water-based acrylic binders were introduced as house paints. Both individual artists and companies began to explore the new binders. That's all.
So instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Now let's talk about the acrylic paint's characteristics. Number one is the fast drying property of the acrylic paint. Acrylic paints dry much quickly or much faster than any other paints like oil painting, which helps the artist to blend and layer them very easily and quickly without any wastage of time. Two is the water soluble property. They are water soluble in nature, which helps the color uh, in making it thinner by mixing it with the water. Three is the versatility of the acrylic colors. Acrylic colors are very versatile in nature as they adhere to various surfaces like fabrics, woods, canvas, as well as papers, etc. Number four is the durability. Once after you are done with the acrylic painting, once it dries, it becomes very waterproof and very flexible. Like it won't smudge, it won't get cracks, etc. It has got a mixed media potential. Like acrylics can be used in collages, fabrics, and many other mixed media techniques. Okay, is their unique effects. Like if you mix them with water and make it thinner, it will give you a effect of thin washes. And if you apply it with like as the consistency itself, you will get a thick impasto. So that's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for all new notifications for more such delightful videos. As well, like and share. And now it's a wrap up time from Blooming Gusto. Relish Love with me, signing off. Till then, take care. See you all in my next upcoming video. Love you all. Mwah. Bye bye.